Hello everybody, my name is Shawn and you're watching the Ask How To Show. So if you caught the first tutorial in this series we're covering HTML5. The first tutorial, this is basically all we did here was get a very simple first web page going, and we used the paragraph tag to put a little bit of simple text on our page. So what else can we do with text besides the paragraph? Well, we can use headings. So for example, a heading tag is created like this, H1 being the largest and going down to H6, which would be the smallest. So we can get a couple of these going and test our page and see what these look like. So there's a heading 1. I'd probably copy and paste this, but I'm almost certain that it would be quicker just to type it all out myself, so we'll just do that. And you can follow along and do this on your own page. And again, I am typing at an awkward angle because I am using a very small desk and I have my laptop beside me, which is making my keyboard sit at a funny angle and causing me to do a lot of typos, which is not good. Alright, so there we have it. We have some headings, so we can go up here to File and save this, and we can shut this down and reopen our index, and there you go. This is what the headings are doing. So heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, 4, 5, and 6 being very small. Now all of these are you can manipulate all of these using CSS, but these are the standards. This is what they're going to look like without using CSS on these. And typically, like, you don't want to really change the size of them, but you can. I mean, you can do whatever you want with CSS, which we'll get into it in a later video. Alright, so we'll open Komodo back up. A couple other things you can do with text. You can manipulate the fonts just by using HTML. You don't have to use CSS. So for instance, if we wanted to make a word bold, we could use strong. Actually, we'll type strong there. Alternatively, we can still use B for bold. What else can we do? We can do italics. That's pretty much it for now. Let's save that. File, save, or Control S. And I don't know why I clicked on Camtasia Studios. Let's minimize Komodo. Go back to our index page and open that up. So we've got strong, bold, and italics. You'll notice that strong and bold do relatively the same thing. One interesting thing about using inline styling, that's not really inline styling, you're still using HTML to style the text, but you can use that to style just one letter if you like. It looks a little professional, like if you were making a website or you're starting a paragraph, and it's always nice to start the paragraph with one large letter. So let's see, we can do strong G, and then after this, great deals on computers. Can't wait till I get a larger desk and I can set up my equipment properly instead of having to cramp it all onto a small desk. We can also, oh, this right here, BR, is a break. It's a line break. It's kind of frowned on for doing structure in your sites. You're not really supposed to use this to make spaces on your page. It's More professional if you're using CSS to structure your sites. But anyway, because we're not getting into CSS right now, we're going to use that for now. So where was I? Alright, so you can use this to do words in a sentence too. So great. And then after this we can continue on. Deals on computers. And the same thing would apply to italics as well. So Control S, and let's minimize that and fire it up and have a look. So here you have it. You have great deals on computers, great deals on computers, and then again with italic G at the beginning. And I should close some of these down. So those are a few things that you can do to edit your text and make it larger using headings, strong, bold, italics. And that's where I'm going to leave that video for now. Stay tuned. Next time I'm going to cover some lists, unordered and ordered lists. So tune in next time, and thanks for watching.